What if one simple morning habit could boost your immune system, aid weight loss, improve your skin, and detoxify your body? Starting your day with warm lemon water provides 8 incredible health benefits. Benefit 1. Hydrates and detoxifies. After sleep, your body is dehydrated. Lemon water replenishes fluids and flushes toxins, giving your body a fresh start each morning. Benefit 2. Vitamin C Powerhouse. One lemon provides 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. This powerful antioxidant protects cells, supports immunity, and promotes healthy skin. Benefit 3. Aids digestion. Lemon water stimulates digestive juices and bile production, relieving bloating and indigestion while promoting regular bowel movements. Benefit 4. Supports weight loss. Promotes feelings of fullness, reducing calorie intake. Polyphenols in lemons help prevent weight gain and boost metabolism naturally. Benefit 5. Enhances skin radiance. Antioxidants combat free radical damage, reducing wrinkles and blemishes. Proper hydration keeps skin plump and glowing. Benefit 6. Freshens breath. Neutralizes bad odors from mouth bacteria and helps relieve gum inflammation. Use a straw to protect tooth enamel. Benefit 7. Boosts energy and mood. Natural energy boost without caffeine crashes. The lemon scent relieves stress and anxiety while improving mood. Benefit 8. Supports kidney health. Increases citrate levels in urine, preventing kidney stones. Detoxifies the urinary tract and supports optimal kidney function. How to make it? Mix fresh juice from half a lemon with 8 ounces of warm water. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Use fresh lemons, not bottled juice. Drink through a straw and rinse with plain water after. Consult your doctor if you have acid reflux. Lemon water provides 8 incredible benefits: hydration, vitamin C boost, better digestion, weight loss support, radiant skin, fresh breath, natural energy, and kidney health. This simple habit costs pennies but delivers powerful results. Start tomorrow morning and experience the difference in your energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Which benefit excites you most? Share your experiences in the comments. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up and share with someone who needs a health boost. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.